Today we'll discuss about the historical events that occurred in the three sectors. The first stage. In this stage, different modern agriculture practices and machines were set up in primary sector. This led to more production than before. And now people can go and work in other industries and services. And in the next stage, different industries were set up and different modern machines were set up in that industry. So people came from primary sector to secondary sector for a proper work and wage. And in the third stage, in the past 100 years, we saw that different people came from secondary sector to service sector for a better employment. This drastic change occurred due to the reason that when primary sector develops, the tertiary and secondary sector also develops, as when goods are produced it has to be transported, so transport system has to be better. But the primary sector cannot produce as much good as it could because of the two major reasons: disguised unemployment or underemployment and seasonal unemployment. Now we will talk about disguised unemployment. In this type of unemployment, the number of people engaged in a work is more than required, so the workload is distributed among the different people and the income is also distributed. And in seasonal unemployment, a farmer, for example, a farmer in the Rabi season can grow a crop, but he has to leave that for some months and then he will get another work to harvest them. So it is known as seasonal unemployment.